Hi, today is Wednesday the 27th, February 27th, 2019. Taking a look at the S&P 500 with some quick thoughts for tomorrow, Thursday the 28th, the final trading day for February 2019. Here is our February low. It was struck on the 8th, went down to 2681.83. Nice hold of the 80 handle rule. Here is our February high, which we printed on Monday. That is also our current 2019 high. And it also, the close that day is also our 2019 closing high. And that high is at 2813.49. That high is a little bit of a fail to make it above the closing high of all the bounces. You can see that I'm pointing over here to the left side of the screen because I put the price level marker over on the left side over there. 2813.89 was the closing high for all of the bounces. The actual bounce high itself was 2816.95. So this, failed on all measures as far as that's concerned. It's just a fail for now. It doesn't mean that it's a complete fail and that we're going to sell everything off from here. But just know that that's the parameter that's being set. And maybe once we get to Friday, once we get to March 1st in a new month, maybe these levels are going to be taken out and some progress will be made further to the upside. But it seems like for now, as we get to the end of the month, that there's a message the market is sending us in holding back from these levels. Okay? So if we take our February high and our February low and add it together and divide it by 2 and calculate our halfway back for the month of February, look where it lands. 2747.66, right smack dab in the middle between our 200 and our 20-day simple moving averages, which are meeting together for a little kiss tomorrow. Maybe even the 20-day just goes ahead and crosses on up through the 200-day at the open. Now, normally that would be a huge buy signal when it goes off, but often we see those get treated as an overbought signal if it's coming at the end of a long rally and price is feeling kind of exhausted and tired, whatever, okay? So chances are that if it gets treated as oversold, we're going to open and we're going to be targeting down here to retrace into this halfway back. One other idea I've put on the chart here is to take this range that we've printed this week, because it's a nice little tidy range of a poor high and a poor low, meaning that there's a long tail off the top of the candle over here and a long tail off the bottom of the candle over here. If we were to take this range and double it up, we would get up to about 28.52. That would take us well up into this air pocket and these levels that I discussed on the longer weekend video that I posted on Sunday. If we were to take it and double down, it would most certainly overshoot, filling this gap, overshoot the 10 and the 20 and the 200-day, and take us for a nice little deep dive down and look below the 20-day simple moving average. It would take us all the way down here to 27.3650. And that in turn looks like it would be a nice test against this little low that we made here on Thursday 2 weeks ago, going into Valentine's Day. And then we had a huge gap up open on Friday. So one other thing is that we have had 2 gap up Friday opens in a row the last couple of weeks, where we would see some selling on Thursday and then a gap open Friday, and some selling on Thursday here and a gap open Friday. So if that pattern sticks, it would make a lot of sense for us to have a nice little sell-off tomorrow, and then maybe we have a gap up open on Friday. So if we were to go after the February halfway back to retrace half of the move we've made this month, and if we can't find buyers there, maybe we overshoot it a little, complete this little measured move idea, backtest this low here from two Thursdays back, and then get set to trade up on Friday. So those are just some ideas. If we come in tomorrow and we just are trading up higher, then obviously all of this effort that I'm making to look to the downside is futile, and we just start looking to take out today's high, take out Tuesday's high, and then ultimately take out Monday's high, make a new 2019 high to end the month, and make a new closing high to go with it. Because if we make a new intraday high and we don't make the closing high to go with it, that is a sell signal. Okay, hope this helps you out and gives you a good start to the day tomorrow. Have a great rest of your evening. As always, good luck and good trading.